Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is the first time you visited my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any new update from my channel. So in this tutorial I will show you on how to automatically adjust cells as you type in Excel. So let's go. The first thing you have to do is that go to the right tab, so which you want to include this functionality. Choose the right sheet, worksheet that you want to include this functionality. Then right click on the right sheet. Then you come over here, view code, fifth option, view code. You click over it. Then this window will appear here. So by default it will be selected as general, but you have to click over it. Then you will choose worksheet. In here you have to include some line of code. I will type the code in the description so that you can copy and include it in your worksheet. So I will type it. The code is Cells.EntireColumn.AutoFit. Let me type it. Cells.EntireColumn. This one. Then I press .AutoFit. After writing this line of code, so the changes will be already applied in our worksheet, so there is no need to remain with these windows. I will close this windows. Then this sheet will be ready with a function which is the automatical cells adjustment. Let me type random letters over here and I press enter. As you see, automatically the cells are adjusted and the full column adjusted it is width. So this is how to automatically adjust cells as you type in Excel, not manually adjust the cells like this. It spends your time. So this is good way to include automatically cells adjustment in Excel. So when I enter any data and press enter, the cells will be adjusted. So thanks for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, comment and share so you don't miss new update from our channel. Thanks for watching.